I've been using my RoboVac around my home and it is my best friend. So you really don't realize how much you need this until your floors are always clean. And I run it while I'm working or making dinner or just like out of the house. And it quietly moves room to room, picking up all the dust and the crumbs and pet hair. And it's just part of my daily routine. It comes with a remote control. You can also use it with an app, and it's just the best. Highly recommend this. You are going to love it, and it's going to make life so much easier.